F20. Now you've got a F20 error. So let's see how to fix this. So this washing sound is still coming. So the first step is, if you try to open the thing, it won't open. So something is stuck there. So best thing is go here and switch off the switched off now. Still is there. Now the sound is gone. The next step is step number 2 is switch it on. So we put it into one of the modes. So for example, outwear. Now the green start laundry is showing up now. So you should be able to, it should allow you to open it now. Yes, it allowed it. So now here, just I think it's more than heavy, what we should be worried. So let's remove some cloths and restart it. Give it a manual spin in your hand. It's a lot. I gave it a manual spin now. So basically I can close the door now. Let's give it a start. It should be fine now. Started spinning again. Now it's spinning fine. So this guy is locked. This guy is locked. Can't open anymore, and it's spinning fine. So the error code is gone. I think it's fixed. That's it, pretty much. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video.